The Walking Dead. Alter, das ist ja richtig schwer.
Here you go. Hey, you don't eat it all.
Oh nee, nee, nee. Ja, scheiße. Tut mir leid. Sorry. Fuck. Shit. Ich wollte es eigentlich gar nicht. Oh, fuck. Oh nee. Eigentlich egal, wie wir es gemacht. Ich erlöse den Hund. Ich erlöse ihn. Auch wenn es schmerzhaft ist. Aber es geht nicht anders. Ich erlöse dich. Schaut nicht hin, liebe Freunde. Schaut nicht hin.
Sorry.
Nein. Nein. Fuck. Also in Wirklichkeit könnte ich diesen Schritt nie tun. Ohne Spaß. Es wird nicht gehen. Oh. Er hat nicht böse gehandelt, der Sam. Es war ein Instinkt von ihm. Ich bin ihm ja auch eigentlich gar nicht böse, aber ich meine, auch wenn wir ihn mit der Dose nur geschlagen hätten, wäre er so verendet, weil er ist nicht durch das Messer gestorben, sondern, also doch, durch das Messer ist er schon gestorben, aber er ist nicht wegen dem Messer gestorben, sondern er ist wegen dem Kick, wo ich ihn hingekickt habe, gestorben. Aber ich wusste, dass wir uns dem Hund nicht zu sehr anvertrauen sollen, also beziehungsweise uns an den Hund zu sehr gewöhnen sollen und ihn lieb gewinnen sollen. Oh mein Gott. Gleich mal zur ersten Stunde hier mal schon gleich mal Action. Oh, oh, oh. Und es wird noch härter. Und emotionaler, sage ich euch. Clementine komplett alleine jetzt. Und so habe ich mich gestern auch gefühlt. Also heute Morgen. Oh oh. Oh oh. Nein. Clem, steh auf. Wow. Wow, geh weg, geh weg, geh weg, geh weg, geh weg. Alter. Wow. Achtung, hinter dir. Wow. Wow.
I'm out. Grab her. Let's go.
Come on, kid. We gotta get.
Der Hundebiss macht ihr zu schaffen. Und alle meinen, sie wäre von einem Walker, von einem Streuner gebissen worden. Glaubt mir. Das wird noch eine ganze schwere Sache.
I think we're safe.
Das wird noch eine komplizierte Sache mit dem Hundebiss.
Hey, you all right?
can walk.
Oh, was that so? 'Cause last time I saw you, you could barely crawl away from that lurker back there. Look, you're in bad shape, kid.
Ja, das ist wahr.
What are you doing out here?
Ja.
Where are the people you're with? There's no chance you made it this long on your own.
I don't want them thinking we're doing anything but trying to help you.
Soll ich sagen, ich bin allein?
I'm
Sag ich
alone.
bin.
Everyone I know is
Ja.
gone. It's just me now.
I'm sorry to hear that.
I just lost a sister. We've all lost folks.
Well, I'm Luke, and this is Pete.
Hey there.
Hi. I'm Clementine.
And it's nice to meet you, Clementine. And for now, we're gonna take you back to our group. Okay, we got a doctor with us, and you look like you could use some— Oh, shit!
What? What is it?
She's been bit, man. Fuck. Fuck. What are we gonna do here?
No, it was a dog.
I didn't see any dog, Clementine.
Come on, kid. Look, we just saw you with those lurkers back there.
I can't remember the last time I saw a dog.
No, just look at it, please.
Yeah, and have you sink your teeth into Pete's neck? No way.
My neck? Why am I the one?
Because I don't know a dog bite from a mosquito bite from a lurker bite, man.
It's not.
Ich wusste es.
All right. Let's see it.
Whoa, hey, watch yourself. Hey, don't look at me like that. You're the one that's bit here, okay?
See?
Is it like she says?
Well, could be a dog. Hard to say. So where'd this dog go? The one that did this?
Now, what does that matter, Pete? Serious.
I killed it.
What? Really? A dog shows up and bites you and you just kill it?
What would you have done?
I don't know.
It attacked me.
Still, you don't kill dogs.
Ja, kann ich nicht, aber ich kann mich auch nicht von einem Hund beißen lassen.
Clementine,
Yes?
you telling us the truth? You look me in the eyes when you answer.
Yes.
Ich habe eher die Wahrheit auch. Also ich habe die
All
Wahrheit
right,
gesagt.
Clementine. That's good enough for me.
Well, what else was she gonna say?
I've got a good bullshit detector. That's why you can never beat me at poker.
Es ist zwar, ich weiß nicht warum, dass ich denen jetzt einfach vertraue, aber
Right, how can you be sure?
Well, I'm sure I ain't willing to leave a little girl in the woods to die when we got a doctor with us that can make a call. We can have Carlos take a look at it first.
Nick ain't gonna like this. Not with what happened.
You don't have to remind me of that, boy.
Right. Sorry, sir.
Come on.
ich wusste, dass es mit diesem
Clementine,
Biss
are you
irgendwelche...
feeling all right?
I'm fine. Just tired.
Well, you better be fine. Because I ain't carrying you anymore with that bite on your arm.
Don't worry about.
Ich habe schon Schlimmeres erlebt.
Oh, shit.
What? And you just believed her? You should have put her out of her misery right there. Dog bite my ass.
I'm not.
Keep your finger off the trigger, boy.
Whoa!
What
Whoa!
the-
What the
You
fuck?
idiot! Every lurker for 5 miles probably heard
You're the
that.
one telling me to fucking shoot her.
Everybody just calm down for a second.
Clementine, you okay?
I'm not working for anyone. Oh, I don't know what you're talking about. I just need help.
We got a doctor right here, okay? He'll have a look. Now what the hell is wrong with you people? Okay, she's just scared.
We're all scared, Luke. Don't act like we're the ones being irrational because we don't buy this bullshit story.
No way she survived out here on her own. Why are we even arguing about this?
Let me take a look.
said, he's a doctor.
Damn, that must have hurt.
Whatever it was, it got you good.
This isn't how we do things, man. When you're bit, you get put down. End of story. I'm not going through this again.
No one's suggesting that.
We could take her arm off. I know that worked for a cousin down in Ainsworth. We could try that.
It won't do any good. You'll just be making it worse for the girl.
It's crazy. No one's going to volunteer to do that.
I would, if it means saving her life.
Then what? How would we know it worked?
Just let Carlos have a look first.
You're a doctor, right? Aren't you supposed to help people that are hurt? I promise you, it was just a dog bite. That's all it was.
We'll know soon enough, young lady.
Eigentlich spielt es wirklich keine Rolle, was gebissen wurde.
Sarah, what I say, stay inside.
Okay, kleines Mädchen hier noch.
I don't mean to be any trouble. I just want to stop the bleeding and then I'll go. You'll never see me again, I promise.
And where exactly would you go?
Egal. Aber ich will euch nicht auf die Last gehen.
To find help somewhere else if I can.
I understand you're scared. And I feel terrible delaying treatment. But we've got to be sure.
So, what do you think? Was it a lurker?
A bite like that could be anything. Only one way to find out.
How?
We wait.
What?
By tomorrow morning, if the fever set in, we'll know if she's gonna turn. In the meantime, we can lock her in the shed.
What about my arm? It needs to get cleaned and stitched and bandaged.
The girl is in bad shape, Carlos.
Well, we have all that stuff inside the cabin. We could probably get by with
Alvin,
it.
please.
But yeah, we can't do nothing.
I'm not wasting supplies on a lurker bite. If it turns out you're telling the truth, I'll clean it and stitch it up for you in the morning.
But
I'm sorry. It's the best we're gonna get.
Unglaublich, da ist man wirklich mal in Nöten und dann
I ain't your son.
Don't be like that, man.
gibt es keine Leute mehr, die wirklich Vertrauen in jemanden haben. Kann ich aber auch wirklich nachvollziehen in der schlechten Zeit.
This is just a waste of time. You'll see.
Die Clementine zurzeit durchmacht, da vertraut man nicht gern jemanden.
it was a dog. You'll see.
I guess we'll find out in the morning.
If I last that long, maybe you could go look for it?
I wish I could. I really do, but it's too risky. Sorry.
Zu gefährlich. Man wird nur zum Streuner, wenn man stirbt. Und das nicht durch den Biss, sondern durch die Luft. Das haben wir in Staffel 1 gelernt. Können mich gern mal korrigieren, wenn ich da falsch liege.